Flexbox, a powerful way to build complex layouts with a dynamic and flexible approach. To get started, you simply turn an element into a flex container using the display flex property. This will turn every child element into a flex item. By default, they will be arranged horizontally in a single line. When it comes to aligning items along the cross-axis, you will use align items. Choose between flex start, center, flex end, and stretch or various alignment options. With justify content, you control how flex items are distributed along the main axis. By default, it is set to flex start, but has more options like space evenly, space around, space between, center, and flex end. To ensure a clean layout, even when items can't fit in a single row or column, you can use flex wrap to enable item wrapping. Its default value is no wrap, but you can change it to wrap or wrap reverse. Gap is a convenient way to add spacing between flex items. Alternatively, you can use row gap and column gap to control spacing along the axis separately. With flex direction, you can change the direction in which the child elements are ordered. Its options include row, row reverse, column, and column reverse. Flex flow is a shorthand property that combines flex direction and flex wrap. It streamlines the process of defining the main axis direction and whether flex items should wrap or not. Those are the most common flex properties you can use in a flex container. Now I'm gonna tell you about the ones you use directly on a flex item, like flex grow, which dictates the growth rate of a flex item relative to its siblings when there's extra space. Conversely, flex shrink governs the item's shrinkage when space becomes limited. Higher values mean more expansion or contraction. Align self overrides the default alignment set by the align items property for individual flex items. This property allows you to align a specific item along the cross-axis independently from its siblings. This was CSS Flexbox in less than 3 minutes. Leave me a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this.